Hey, what's up? This is the Creator Folder, and thank you for 20 subscribers, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. I want to appreciate everybody who's been subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate that. So, yeah. So, yesterday, as you know, I've showed my upcoming tutorial for this biaxial flasher supreme, and if you missed it, then click right here. So yeah, I tried to make that video a short, but it didn't really work. I don't know why. I think I probably need to get verified or something. I don't know. But yeah. So yeah, this was actually in the demo video. I checked the comments, and I received a request from Derp, from Derp himself, and he dared me to teach this model. So yeah, the biaxial flasher supreme by what to learn how to fold it. Ready, set, here it goes. Alright, so for this model I'm going to use a sheet of printer paper cut squares. The first step is cut it squares. So let's fold the short edge onto the long edge. This. Okay, so here's your 11 by 11 inch square of paper. We're going to divide this side and this side into 3 equal parts. So let's fold this up, but don't actually make the fold. We want to make it so that this length is the same as this length. Just estimate it first, and then once you've got it, you want to fold this flap behind. And this is really tricky for me. I have gotten it right a couple of times, but this may be a tricky step for you guys. So fiddle with the folds until the thirds are exact. If they're not, you're gonna have to edit them. Yes. Oh wow. My thirds are actually perfect. Okay. And then rotate, and once you got the thirds, pinch the 2 sides. And rotate, and now do the same thing here. Got it right? Okay. Fold here, and rotate. Let's fold this edge to the 2/3 picture. Fold, rotate. Let's fold this edge to here. And unfold. Now, 1, 2, 3, you divide it to thirds. And now, you divide it to thirds in this direction. And it's actually going to be easy, because you don't actually need to make the fiddle thing. You just need to fold this corner's edge up to here and just make a pinch right here. Easy as that. And you can unfold and rotate And then you can take this edge and fold to that pinch mark. So you don't even need to make the width filled or something like that. Whatever. That, fold, okay. Now let's take this edge and fold it this way. Okay, we made a 3 by 3 grid of creases, but we want a 24 by 24 grid. So we're gonna make the paper fan. How Time to Fold does it, he only does like creases, which is okay for most flashers, but I like doing the fan method. So we're actually going to do this. Okay, so fold in half. Fold and fold the edge here. Unfold, rotate, and repeat. So we're dividing it into 6 first, and then we'll make the paper. Sorry. Okay, now turn it over. Now, don't lift up this. So we're going to lift up not the first crease, but the second crease, this crease. Lift that up and pull onto the first crease. Like that. Okay, so now the next one down. So this mountain fold to here. If you know how to make a paper fan, then you can skip this step. There we go. Switch. One down, and the next one down. So last one. Well, actually, this is the last part. Let's pull this edge here, on top. Let's turn over. Let's fold this edge up on this existing crease, and then rotate and fold in half. Yes. And voila. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, bleh. So we divide it into 11. We need 24. So we're gonna rotate, and we're gonna lift up this crease, and we're gonna pull on to this crease. And when you're doing that, you're making a new fold in there. Okay. Same thing here. Just go all the way down. Go. So basically, divide it into thirds, into sixths, into 11ths, and then finally into 24ths. It's basically what we need for this. Now fold this edge here. Fold the edge up. In other words, line it up with this edge below it. Okay, and rotate. Now let's fold this edge up, like turning the page of the book. Now let's fold this edge, increase. And once again, if you didn't know, we're making a new fold right away. Okay, and then just go all the way down, doing this. So yeah, this is like a flasher, so green. Like we're making a flasher 20th celebration, something like that. Okay, and last one here, and once again we're making a new fold right in there, a new valley. Fold the edge up. This. Okay. So now we're gonna fold bleh, fold 2 units up like this. I think it's focusing. I hope you can see that. Okay. And now 1 unit down. 2 units up, and 1 unit down. Fold 2 units up like this, and fold 1 unit down. Valley. That, and then last one, 2 units up, and 1 unit down. And then turn it over and fold in half like this. Okay. Here you have divided your paper into 24 in this direction. Now we're going to divide it into 24 in this direction. And I'm going to fast forward this part. So pause the video to catch up. Where is the slow-mo mode? Here. Okay, so we have 24 by 24 gray creases, and we're already done. I was just kidding, that was part 1. So, yeah, and part 2 is going to be the pre-creasing, making all of these little diagonal folds, well, zigzag folds about it. So yeah, that's upcoming. So stay tuned for part 2. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.